Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to find nearby friends on Facebook. So it's pretty simple, let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up Facebook application on your mobile phone. So after opening up the Facebook application on your mobile phone, you have to make sure that you are logged in with your account. So after logging in with your account, so after coming to Facebook, you have to just simply go to the search bar and simply go to search for that specific friend which you want to add in nearby. So assume that my friend name is like Asad and I want to search for Asad. So after coming to Asad, in order to find the nearby area, you have to just simply go to the people section. So first just simply click on this people section here and the people will be appeared here. Now what you have to do is just simply tap on the top right corner of filter section. Just simply click on this filter button and just simply hit the city. So here what you have to do is just simply write your nearby area. So right now my nearby area is like Bahawalpur, and just simply click on show results. And here you'll be able to see all the people or all of your friends nearby. So in this way you guys can just simply find the nearby friends on Facebook with your specific targeted location. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.